हाय गाइस, मेरा नाम सौम्या है। मैं आपकी साइकी हूँ, टैरेट कार्ड रीडर हूँ, हीलर हूँ, स्टाइलिस्ट हूँ, प्लस फूड ब्लॉगर हूँ एंड आई एम अ फूड ब्लॉगर, सॉरी। सो टुडे topic is who is your soulmate, and I'll be doing your live collective reading with my 3 decks. Okay, pile 1 is this Muse Tarot, pile 2 is this Tarot Let Go, and let me hold another, and pile 3 is White Rider Tarot pack. Okay guys, so you have to select any 3 of them. Okay guys, आप अपने इंट्यूशन से मेडिटेट करके कोई भी 3 डेक चूज़ कर सकते हैं। मैं लाइव आपके सामने शफलिंग करने वाली हूँ, आपको सारी डिटेल्स दूँगी, सब दूँगी। सो प्लीज़ 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 सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल इफ़ यू हैवंट, and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment and like if my reading resonated with you. Okay guys, and I offer readings only on advance payment guys. My readings are not done on free. I only give away if you are coming continuously to me and your things are turning out accurately true. Okay guys, so let's start with our first pile, Muse Tarot. Let's see what is there for you. आपका सोलमेट कौन है? हु इज़ योर सोलमेट गाइज? व्हाट इज देयर फॉर माई टेक 1? स्पिरिट एंजल प्लीज गाइड मी. हु इज देयर सोलमेट फॉर माई टेक 1? दोज हु चूज टेक 1, हु इज देयर सोलमेट? Who is my deck 1 people soulmate out there? Okay, your pile 1, you are having very heavy energy guys. You are so much of in tension. Okay, I got many deck here, so I'm choosing all of them now. जो भी मेरे सामने गिरा है मैं सब ले रही हूँ. Okay, there is 9 of inspiration, 6 of emotions, lots of water is there, lots of fire is there, 4 of emotions reverse, page of emotions, lots of water and fire energy is there. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You or your person can be in coming future. Muse of emotions. Okay, this is your soulmate guys, a proper soulmate twin flame connection. Okay, and let's see what my card says more about you and your partner, upcoming partner. Okay guys, like मेरे को जो फीलिंग आ रही है, आपकी जो पर्सन है वो एक तो आपको बहुत ग्रोथ होते हुए देख रहे हैं, वो आपको बहुत खुश है कि आपकी ग्रोथ हो रही है इस वक्त. And yeah, this person is emotionally attached to you and they are very emotional towards you. Yes, there is a change. Who is the soulmate for my deck 1 people? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Male, gambler, businessman. Message of concern. Okay guys, what I am picking up the energies like, एक तो ये आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड हो रहे हैं दिन पे दिन. ओके गाइज, ये जो भी आपके सोलमेट हो सकते हैं, एक तो ये एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस हो सकते हैं, कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस होते हैं. सो ये जो है ये आपको बहुत ग्रोथ होते हुए देख रहे हैं. आप देख रहे हैं जिस तरह से ये औरत खड़ी हुई है, शी इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एंड यू आर वन ऑफ देम. इफ़ यू आर माई फीमेल और मेल ओवर हियर, यू आर ग्रोइंग वेरी वेल राइट नाउ एंड आप बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर्ड कर रहे हो अपने सोलमेट को इस वक्त. वो आपके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली अटैच हो रखे हैं एंड बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली सोचते भी आपको लेकर, बहुत ज़्यादा सोचते हैं. आपकी पिक्चर उनके सामने रहती है हर टाइम. एंड या समटाइम दिस पर्सन इज़ लाइक ही इज़ ट्रीटिंग यू इन अ वेरी फिशी वे, इन अ वेरी ट्रिकी वे. ओके गाइज, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रिक खेलते रहते हैं आपके साथ, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा जेलस कराते हैं. आई एम पिकिंग लाइक this person is like kind of like cunning energy. He want you to come after them moreover. Okay, and yes, page of emotions again. See, lots of water is there. So this person is manifesting you through the water, guys. Okay, this person can be intuitive like you. They have that psychic desires and psychic capability, your soulmate. And this person is your soulmate, guys. They will be coming up with you with an offer. Okay guys, this person can be businessman, he can be a main member of his family, and this person could have beard. Okay guys, I am having a vision like this person can have a beard. They have very sharp features and their eyes, their smiles are very awesome. And yeah, one, you can see one number a lot, 101, 111, 1111. Okay guys, so this is like that, 222. And this person, I am having a vision like you are dealing with this person currently, or for some of them this person can be from past, for others this person is a new. Okay guys, because I'm getting lots of mixed energies over here. And yeah, this person will bring change in your life. They will of course they will like make you feel like you, they will be very proud of you. And yes, this person and you are very abundant together. You both will bring a very positive change out together. Okay guys, so there is a lot of wands energy, water energy. This is going like your person can be also like ऑपोजिट होते हैं ना, जैसे आपकी पर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑपोजिट हो सकते हैं आपसे. ये गैम्बलर हो सकते हैं कुछ लोगों के लिए, कुछ लोगों के लिए बिजनेसमैन हो सकते हैं, एंटरप्रेनर हो सकते हैं, इनका फैमिली बिजनेस भी हो सकता है. एंड येस, दिस पर्सन वेट्स फॉर योर मैसेजेस ऑल द टाइम गाइस. ये खुद टेक्स्ट करने वालों में से नहीं होंगे, ये आपके लिए एफर्ट कम ही करेंगे बहुत. ये चाहेंगे कि आप मैसेज करो पहले. एंड डेफिनेटली गाइस, you guys are so lucky. You got a soulmate, a real soulmate. This is your soulmate, guys. This person you're watching, he is your soulmate, guys. Deck 1. What is the future of my Deck 1 people with their soulmate? Who is their soulmate? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Who is my Deck 1 people soulmate out here? Okay. Guys, you need to trust the situation, guys. I think you are not trusting this person, or this trusting is not trusting you. They are like acting very in a tricky way with you right now. That's why they are not able to trust. So you have to trust this person, because universe is guiding you to be with them. No matter how much they run from you or ignore you, you guys are made for each other. Okay, you guys can have heart-to-heart conversation right now, on calls, on video calls. Okay, डेली होती है आपकी बात इनसे. हो सकता है आप लोग, कुछ लोगों का लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस भी हो रिलेशनशिप, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है यहाँ पे रिलीजियस प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ स्पिरिचुअल प्रॉब्लम भी आ सकती है. Okay guys, as I said, like this person can be psychic too, and like this person have a very strong psychic ability. They can sense whatever you talk to them or whatever you are dealing with them, like wow. And for others, this is religious factors affecting you, or your person can be a Muslim or Christian. Okay guys, so you guys can have family issues, and you have to let go of control issues, guys. Don't try to control your situation, just let it flow. Okay guys, let this situation flow, because this is like your soulmate twin flame, guys. Okay, and this person is only meant for you, guys. Those who have chosen this deck, this person is meant for you. Number 14 is also very important for you guys. Okay, now let's see what is there for my Deck 2 people, those who choose Tarot Let to Go. Okay guys, I'll go with you now. Guys, sorry with my voice, I'm not able to speak well right now. Okay guys, due to weather change, I'm having some communication problem too. My throat chakra is like little bit blocked. 4 of Swords. Who is the soulmate of my pile 2 people, Deck 2 people? Angel Spirit, please guide me with the relevant card. Okay, wow. 9 of Rods, 2 of Rods, Wheel of Fortune. I'll take again 2 more. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Who are the soulmate for my deck 2 people? The Lovers, Twin Flame, Page of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, and the Strength. Now let's see what is more there for you guys. Let me keep this card side. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my deck 2? Who is the soulmate? Okay, I got this card flowing. Gift, number 17. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Who is the soulmate of my deck 2 people? Child. Okay guys, and let's see what is the end of the deck. 29, Imprisonment. Okay guys, this person is like, I am having a vision, like this is your definitely a twin flame guys. This person is watching you from far. ये आपको सोशल मीडिया में बहुत बुरी तरह से स्टॉक कर रहे हैं इस वक्त. ओके गाइज, एंड डेफिनेटली लाइक यू आर ऑल्सो वेटिंग फॉर देम टू कम. ओके गाइज, एंड डेफिनेटली देर इज़ अ डिवाइन टाइमिंग कमिंग बिटवीन यू बोथ. ओके गाइज, ये जो भी हो रहा है आपके साथ, ये सिर्फ यूनिवर्स की वजह से हो रहा है गाइज. आप अगर मिल भी रहे होंगे इस पर्सन को, आप लोग कि में थोड़ी तकलीफ़ आएगी. पहले तो मैं ये बता दूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ होने वाली है आपके रिलेशनशिप में. हो सकता है आपकी पर्सन ने आपको थर्ड पार्टी में डाल के छोड़ दिया होगा. ओके, कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पास से हो सकता है. एंड ये अभी आपको वॉच करे कि आप पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स के रूप में अपना ग्रोथ बहुत बना रहे हो. ओके गाइज, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों ने कि पर्सन ने आपको इक्वल गिव एंड टेक नहीं किया है. इनके थर्ड पार्टीज़ में आके इन्होंने आपको ड्रॉप किया हुआ है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा छोड़ा हुआ है, और अभी आपके पास आने के लिए तरस भी रहे हैं गाइस. ओके, सो दिस कुड बी योर एक्स. दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट यू वेरी बैडली राइट नाउ. दे कीप ऑन थिंकिंग 24/7 गाइस. ओके, एंड लाइक दिस पर्सन, लाइक आपने इनको दिया होगा, आपने लाइक आप इनको चेस करते होगे तो ये आपसे उतना ही भागते होंगे. मुझे ऐसी भी फीलिंग आ रही है गाइज. ओके, एंड डेफिनेटली गाइज राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन इज टायर्ड ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, टायर्ड ऑफ थर्ड पार्टीज इवन. ओके, ये जो भी हो रहा है आपका सब डिवाइन टाइमिंग से ही हो रहा है गाइज. आई कांट हेल्प इट. प्लीज़ मेरे को ये मत बोलिए कि आपकी रीडिंग ऐसी जाती है तो इसीलिए मैं खुश नहीं हूँ या मेरे को सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है. आपकी एनर्जी के ऊपर है ना वो, तो आप कैसे रखते हैं अपने थॉट्स, माइंड, ऑल डिपेंड ऑन योर एनर्जी गाइज. आप ही खुद के ब्रह्मास्त्र है. ओके, एंड हो सकता है आपके सरप्राइजेस आने वाले हैं इस पर्सन के थ्रू. आप हो सकते हैं गिफ्ट्स एक्सचेंज हो रहे हो कुछ लोगों के इस पर्सन के साथ. ओके, एंड हो सकते हैं कुछ लोगों के लिए न्यू बिगनिंग भी स्टार्ट हो सकती है. बिकॉज आई गॉट है पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून. दिस पर्सन कुड बी टॉरस, वर्गो, कैप्रिकॉर्न, एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस, जेमिनाई, लिब्रा, एक्वेरियस. ओके, एंड या ये साइंस मुझे ज़्यादा दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, बहुत ज़्यादा. स्कॉर्पियो बहुत ज़्यादा है, लियो बहुत ज़्यादा है. ओके गाइस, सी राइट नाउ दे आर मेकिंग बिजी इन मेकिंग मनी. ओके गाइस, हो सकता है आपसे सेक्सुअली एडिक्टेड भी हो सकते हैं ये पर्सन कुछ लोगों के लिए. बिकॉज देयर इज़ नाइट ऑफ कप्स, क्वीन ऑफ कप्स. आप यहाँ पे अगर फीमेल्स हैं तो आप भी इनके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं इस वक्त. और जो मेरे मेल व्यूवर है वो भी तो आपके बारे में सोच ही रहे हैं इस वक्त, स्टॉक कर रहे हैं आपको डे एंड नाइट. Knight of Pentacles is there. See, I told you, no, right now they can have some money issues. They are busy in making their money. Okay, guys. There is no other third party. I am having a vision. कुछ लोगों के लिए यहाँ पे पैसा है third party. Financial crisis. So this person is being very strong right now. Okay, guys. There is a strength card. They are like seeing you. You are very strong person over here. Okay. So this is your soulmate guys. Okay, you are dealing with your past energy right now. Yeah, there, for others there could be a mature woman coming between you both. Okay guys, this could be a mother figure. Okay, for some, for others, I am having a vision. This person is like too muchly overly mature lady, and she's like coming between you both all the time. She's interfering in your love life, and this person is also letting her interfere. You think, guys, this is your life, so you have to deal at the end. This person has kept you almost in a dead situation. Guys, you are very much confused. You are like, oh my god, should I go to this person or not? But yeah, you are not in a mood that you will choose this person as your soulmate, guys. Okay, very soon. Or this person can also be in the same vice versa energy. Clearly decide what you want so that it come to you now. You are not able to decide. Maybe this person have kept many options, so right now they are also getting confused. For others, this person is very scared of you. Who is this soulmate for my pile two? I told you na guys, this person can flirt with you whenever they come back. They will flirt to you because I am having a vision. This is your twin flame, okay? They had come and gone. Runner and chaser वाला मामला एक तो बहुत दिख रहा है मुझे इधर आप लोगों का. See lovers, flirt. Okay, one person is giving and other one is vanish. So it is like that, and they are coming after months or a year, and they are still listening to some random third parties around. For others, there is a financial issues, guys. Okay, love yourself first. This person has stopped loving himself, guys. They are stuck in the past energies. They listen to third parties. They don't know how to love themselves. Love yourself first. This is your soulmate energy, guys. This could be you also. And for you, I'm having a vision like there is an advice like you have to stay optimistic about your love life, because as I told, you are deeply thinking, you are becoming too much negative. Okay guys, so don't. And this person can evoke your inner child too, guys. Okay, and this person, for others, I'm seeing like there is children involvement because I'm getting so many cards here. This person is trying to trigger you, guys. Okay, they are flirting with you. They want to know everything, what is going on with you. Okay, so you deserve love, guys. Okay, deck 2. This is your energy. See, 2 of cups. I got again 2 of cups. Lovers, twin flame soulmate purely. High level twin flame soulmate. Okay guys, so you have to say what you want. You want twin flame or soulmate, because I've already been through twin flame, guys. बहुत खतरनाक चीज़ है. So I'll just say कि you just say stay optimistic, guys. Deck 2. Sorry, I'm having a throat pain, or I'm catching so many energies. It's happening because of all this only. Or your communication is like so bad with your person that you don't want to communicate, or they don't want to right now to come forward to you. They are just watching you from far, guys. Take 2. ये आपको दूर से देखते रहते हैं हर वक्त. Okay, now we'll go to our deck 3. Let's see what is there for you. Deck 3, White Rider Tarot pack. जिन्होंने चूज किया है, let's see what is there for you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. Who is the soulmate for my deck 3? Who is the soulmate for my deck 3? I don't want so many angel spirits. Please, please, please. Okay, first card is 5 of Swords. I think you have left your past now behind. Okay, there is 9 of Cups reverse. This person is past pile 3. You should watch pile 2 also. आपको pile 2 भी देखना चाहिए. Who is the soulmate for my deck 2 people? Who are their soulmate? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Okay, Runner and Chaser. Oh my god. See, Rana is running. आपसे फीलिंग भी हाइड कर सकते हैं ये कुछ लोगों के लिए. Okay, this could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You or your person. Angel spirit, who is the soulmate? Ace of Swords. There will be a new beginning with this person, guys. This person was running and chasing with you, and they were like very confused what they want. Okay, guys, you must have left your past behind, but this person is like coming and going from you, and like they also want a new beginning, guys. Okay, your soulmate wants a new beginning. Angel spirit, please guide me. Who is the soulmate for my deck? 3 people. Angel spirit, please guide me. Who is the soulmate for my deck? 3 people. Please guide me with the 2 cards. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of Pentacles. So tiring energy, guys. 4 of Swords. Check pile 3. आप लोग pile 3 भी देख लीजिएगा. Knight of Pentacles. It is similar to pile 3. Okay, guys. Now let's see what my oracle says too. Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for my deck 3? Who are the soulmates for my deck 3? Okay. Take 3 cards only. Judicial. Your person is going through a divorce, guys, or you will have some arguments in coming days with this person, or you must had some argument before also. 18 child. This person has tried to invoke your child, inner child, guys. 17 is gift. For others, this person can be a married, they can have a child with them, but this person I'm having a vision like उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रबल किया आपको, आपका इनर चाइल्ड इन्वोक किया, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट सीइंग लाइक गुड एनर्जी, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन विल कम, दे विल ट्रिगर you guys. Okay, but this person is looking for a new beginning with you. This could be a married person, guys. You are tired of them, guys. I can feel like ये क्यों हो रहा है, क्यों आते हैं बार बार, परेशान करके चले जाते हैं. You are too much sick. And right now they are like, this person is, while working, they are thinking of you. Okay, they want to grow pentacles with you, and yeah, this person sees you like you are like a child to them. Okay, guys, let's see what is more there for you from my Keeper Oracle. Angel spirit, please guide me. Who is the soulmate for my deck 3? Spirit angel, please guide me. Who is there for my deck 3? People, just be careful, because I'm not having a feeling like this is a good person for you. If you want to choose, you can choose a new, because there is a Knight of Pentacles energy, and this person can be a rich. They will come with some good, like, मेरे को ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है जैसे ये पर्सन आपके साथ पास जब आएंगे, ये थोड़ा कुछ पैसों को लेकर कुछ तो हुआ होगा आपके साथ पास में, कुछ लोगों के लिए. फॉर अदर्स, दिस पर्सन कैन travel around. There will be some give and take in a new beginning, because I am watching like having a feeling like for some there can be a financial issue. This person is seeing you as a hard worker. Okay, guys, like इनको पता है कि आपकी बहुत अच्छी बिगनिंग हो रही है.